our electric soy milk maker. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a height of 21.5 inches tall, and in 3 corners are clamps that can be loosened that are holding the top lid. Top lid will measure 12 inches in radius, and the inside will be the filtration cylinder. Measurements for the cylinder will include 13 inches in height with a radius of 6 inches top and bottom. Coming to the inside, the main bowl will be an indicator line with 11 liters being the maximum, and coming to the bottom will be the element surrounding the serrated blade where the filtration cylinder will rest on top, so your products such as soybeans can be poured in the center that will grind, mulch, and create your soy milk. Coming to the side will be the anti-overflow detection, and in front will be the functions and features that can create soy milk and much more. Coming to the side will be the dispense nozzle and the hardware wiring that's required to operate the soy milk maker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.